Dear student, today we will continue some chapter of English class 10th, a letter to God. This is the part 2 video. In first part, we already discussed about the authors. We make a loud reading of para 1 and 2. We already discussed about note and glossary of paragraph 1 and 2, and we tried to understand of text of paragraph 1 and 2. Today we discuss about the paragraph 3rd, 4th and 5th. We discuss note and glossary of it and try to understand of the text. And the text with a satisfied expressions, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers draped in a curtain of rain. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. This truly did resemble new silver coins, the boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen shells. "It's really getting bad now," exclaimed the man. "I hope it passes quickly." It did not pass quickly. For an hour, the hail ran on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. The field was white as if covered with salt. Not a leaf remained on the trees. The corn was totally destroyed. The flowers were gone from the plants. Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his son, "A plug of locust would have left more than this. The hail has left nothing. This year we will have no corn." That right was a sorrowful one. All our works for nothing. There's no one who can help us. We will all go hungry this year. But in the heart of all who lived in the solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. Don't be so upset, even though this seems like a total loss. Remember, no one dies of hunger. That's what they say. No one dies of hunger. This much, these are the text belongs to paragraph 3rd, 4th and 5th. Then after, we will discuss some difficult word of this chapter. The first word is satisfy. Verb form. The synonyms are agree, delight, glad, gratify, please. Antonyms: break, break, transgress, violate. For example, his curiosity was satisfied by their explanations. Noun forms are satisfactions, satisfier. Adjective form: satisfied, satisfactory, satisfying. Adverb form: satisfyingly. Next, expressions. This is the noun form. Synonyms are formulations, phrasings, parallelism. Antonyms: silence, question. For example, He uses some odd expressions. Adjective form, expressive, expressible. Verb, express. Adverb, expressively. Next, regarded. Verb form. Synonyms, thought, considered, remark. Antonyms, disregard, ignore, tune out. For example, the police regarded the teenagers with suspicion. Noun form, regard. The antonyms of noun form regard is disfavor. Adjective form, regardless, regardful. Next, draped, verb form. Synonyms, covered, decorated, dressed. Antonyms, deface, disfigure, blemish. For example, we will drape strings of lights between trees for the party. Adjective form, drape. Noun, drapability, drapable. Next, hailstones. Noun form, synonyms are spellet of hail. Next, resemble, verb form. Synonyms, be alike, similar to. Antonyms, mirror, parallel, duplicate. For example, he resembles his father. Noun form, resemblance. Antonyms, difference, variations, disparity. Next, expose, verb form. Synonyms, disclose, uncover, display. Antonyms, cover, hide, protect. For example, a newspaper exposed the corruption of government. Noun form, exposure. Adjective, exposed. Next, frozen. Synonyms, very cold, fixed, chilled, icy. Antonyms, hot, warm. For example, the boys ran out to collect the frozen pearls. Verb, freeze. Noun form, freeze, frozenness. Adverb, frozenly. Next word is solitary. Adjective form, synonym, unsociable, alone, single, desolate. Antonyms, sociable, together, public. For example, he took a solitary walk on the beach. Adverb form, solitarily. Noun, solitude. Next, seems. Verb, synonyms, appear, look, feel. Antonyms, back away. For example, in these situations, investors never seem to give up hope. Adverb form, seemingly. Let's understand some phrases and clauses. The first one is with a satisfied expressions. It means with a content. Next, exposing themselves to the rain. It means coming out in the rain. Next, I hope it passes quickly. It means I hope the rain of hailstones will disappear soon. Next, was totally destroyed. It means was completely ruined. Was filled with sadness. It means was grief stricken. When the storms had passed, after the storms had gone. A plague of locusts, a group of crop-destroying insects, would have left more than this, would have destroyed less than hailstones. These are the some importance, phrases and clause of this chapter. Now try to understand about the text. Hailstones ran. Along with the rain came very large hailstones. Lancho's happiness was short-lived. The hailstones truly did resemble silver coins. The boy came in the rain to gather the hailstones. The boys means the sons of Lenchu. They came out in the rain to gather the hailstones. Hailstones and the valley. Lenchu with rain of hailstones would soon disappear. But for an hour, the house, the field, and the hillside were covered with the white hail like a vast sheet of salt. Not a leaf remained on the tree. The corn was totally destroyed. So were the flowers. Lencho was sorrowful. They would have no corn that year. After got a big loss, Lencho, the farmer, consoled his family. It was sorrowful night, and he feared that all their labors had gone waste. They would have to go hungry because of a ray of hope from God for his family. Lencho said that people say no one dies of hunger. People say no one dies of hunger. This much for today. I hope all of you understand this, the text of paragraph third, fourth, and fifth. Thank you very much. Thank you.